9 minus 3 divided by open parenthesis 3 minus 9, close parenthesis times 100 to the power of 0. Subscribe now for quick math solutions. Let's look at a common mistake first. Many people see the minus and divide and just go left to right. They might do 9 minus 3 is 6. Then 6 divided by negative 6 is negative 1. Finally, negative 1 times 100 to the 0 power. And since 100 to the 0 is 1, they get negative 1. This is the wrong answer. Let's solve it correctly with PEMDAS. Step 1. Parentheses. 3 minus 9 is negative 6. The problem is now 9 minus 3 divided by negative 6 times 100 to the 0 power. Step 2. Exponents. 100 to the power of 0 is 1. Now we have 9 minus 3 divided by negative 6 times 1. Step 3. Division and multiplication from left to right. 3 divided by negative 6 is negative 0.5. Then, negative 0.5 times 1 is still negative 0.5. We now have 9 minus negative 0.5. Step 4. Subtraction. Subtracting a negative is addition. 9 plus 0.5 equals 9.5. The correct answer is 9.5. Key takeaway. Never go just left to right. Always follow PEMDAS. Parentheses and exponents before division and multiplication, and those before addition and subtraction. If that was helpful, like and subscribe for more. What problem should we solve next? Let us know in the comments.